Good Saturday morning, Australia. Ngayon ay September 6. So, ang weather ngayon, temperature is 3. Okay. So, hindi pa tayo makukontento niyan. Aalis kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa lugar kung saan dito yung nag-i-snow. So, weekend ngayon, Saturday. So, family day. Mga walang pasok, kaya may time kaming gumala. Okay? So, maglalaro daw kami dun sa snow. Mga 2 hours travel from here. Okay? So, sa ngayon, maganda ang weather. Malamig, pero hindi siya ganon kalamig. Kumbaga, sakto lang. Kaya lang, doble-doble yung suot natin. Ganyan, hip-hop. Apple day up. Okay? Kita-kita tayo mamaya. Bye! Hi. Good morning.
Look at the outfit. It's so heavy.
Morning.
Good morning. Oh,
Let's go.
we're not at the snow yet. I went way to fly.
Morning. Snow day.
All good to go.
All good to go.
We are on the top of the clouds.
Like an aeroplane.
You see? Hello.
See you later on at the snow.
Degree, legit.
So yun, nandito na tayo. Mag-aarkila tayo ng mga gagamitin natin para dun sa snow. So mamaya may registration din doon. So eto na, dito yung mga gagamitin natin sa paglalaro dun sa taas. Okay.
Legit 2 degree.
2 degrees. The weather is 2 degrees.
Color preference? That's about it.
No, it's okay. Whatever color. So,
All right.
thank you.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What's that registration of that car, do you know? 1CV?
4EI.
1CV? 4.
So, ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya doon sa paglalaro. Dito tayo sasakay. Whee! Papadulas tayo. Right. Good. So, So we're finally here. Nakikita niyo yan? Yan. Ang snows yan. So doon pupunta pa tayo sa pinakaunahan. Okay. So bucket list.
Check.
Check. Unlock. So original snow na itong pupuntahan namin. Hindi katulad dati. Artificials lang. So ngayon ito, nandito na tayo sa mga totoong snow.
Can I touch it?
Come on, Noni. Touch it. Alright. Woo, yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
Not Bobo.
Hi. Good morning. Welcome to Mount Baobao. Here in
Bobo!
Mount Bobo. Here in Victoria, Australia. Hi.
Welcome to the snow. This is my outfit. Thank you to my sponsor, Tita Bong from Hong Kong.
Yeah. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa original snow. Yan, kita ninyo. Puting-puti ang paligid. So ingat-ingat lang kasi medyo madulas. So yan oh, ano? Ito. Yeah. Woo. Alright. Start melting na kasi almost finish na ng season ng snow. So buti umabot pa. So lakad muna tayo. Bye.
Saan? Magkandun after there?
Look, mommy.
Ito, ano?
Other way. Yes. Then sit down. Yep. Put your legs inside.
Go there, in the top.
Ganyan?
Yeah, you need to hold the thing. No, that one. Ah! Yeah, one.
Ganito?
Yes, and then pull it.
Ano ba ito?
No, just pull it.
Baka madulas ako doon, kagakit Prince. Pasok ko dito. Tapos magbababa na, bababa ko to. Oh, game.
Go. Go. Go.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
You're right.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm tired.
So yun, magpapadulas tayo. Akit ako doon sa taas. Papadulas tayo doon. Okay. Now it's my turn. Oh.
Run.
All right.
Actually, it's so hot.
FYI for everybody, pag may snow, hindi siya ganon kalamig.
Oh my God.
More pa.
Hi guys! This is one of our bucket list, and this is the proof of manifestation is real.
Yes.
We've manifested this 5 years ago, and we're here!
Enjoy! This is the vlog. The vlog, ah.
What was
Come on, that's good. That's
Hi! We're on our way to the
freaking hot.
we're on our way to the airport! Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh, this is like from the movie. Oh no! Grab me!
Jesus!
We're just saying Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank
Advance.
you. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Father's Day.
Thank you. It's a wonderful Father's Day gift.
Yes,
Amo.
and there's more to come.
Thank you.
Just wait.
To eat the
This
ice.
is one of our bucket list.
That's right.
Now,
Wanna try this?
ay, wag yan, may ihi yan ng paniki.
No, there's no taste. It's fresh. Hindi ka guys sa Pilipinas, foamy.
Thank you, Ate Sinta.
That's
Thank you for your
alright.
bread.
Thank you.
Look!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm singing in the snow.
Hindi siya
I'm
malamig, no? Mainit
singing in
ang
the snow.
So, I need to remove this.
Ah, you have...
Yes.
Okay, you have another...
Kung ganyan.
Yeah, that's right.
So, yan.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Yan eh.
Okay. Philippine!
Guys, wala lang, para lang tayo nasa Pinas, no? Mainit. Gusto ang paligid, pero wala lang. Muna pa ng snow. Paulan natin ng snow yan.
Woo!
Ano pala? Pasok sa katawag ko.
Ang lamig.
Whee!
Dito lang sa mukha pag ganun, no? Huwag masyadong malayo.
Whee! Oh my god. Oh my god. Continuous rolling, ha? Oh my god.
Oh, ang kulit ni Daddy.
So guys, ang tutorial para makapaglaro ka rin. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Diba? Ganun yun. Pagod tutorial again. Oh. Now you get it? You get it, guys? Yay!